Believe it or not, the Arctic is home to some of the oldest ice on Earth, with formations dating back over 100,000 years, older than any civilization known today. Welcome to the Arctic, a place where icy landscapes stretch beyond the horizon and where some facts are as chilling as the landscape itself. Let's dive into some of the Arctic's coolest secrets, filled with surprises you might not expect. Think the Arctic is all about penguins? Actually, there are no penguins here at all. Only the southern hemisphere has penguins, while the Arctic has polar bears and Arctic foxes. Think New York is a big city? Some icebergs calving off Arctic glaciers are as tall as skyscrapers, stretching over 200 feet above the water's surface. And here's a surprising twist. The Arctic is actually the world's largest desert. That's right, this icy landscape is a desert because it receives so little precipitation. The Arctic Ocean might be the smallest and shallowest of all oceans, yet it's large enough to cover an area greater than the entire continent of Europe. In the heart of winter, the Arctic plunges into total darkness during the polar night, up to 6 months without a single ray of sunlight, but it's not always dark. In summer, the Arctic experiences the opposite, the midnight sun. Here, daylight lasts 24 hours a day for weeks on end. Want to know something wild? Polar bears may look all white, but under that fur, they have black skin to absorb as much heat from the sun as possible. Greenland, part of the Arctic region, is actually the largest island in the world, a fact that makes this icy giant even more fascinating. The Arctic also has its own hidden mountain range, the Lomonosov Ridge, which stretches an incredible 1,100 miles beneath the Arctic Ocean. With its constant cycles of light and darkness, the Arctic has no fixed time zones. Traditional clocks don't mean much when you have endless days or nights. Temperatures can get extreme here too, in some places as low as -70 degrees Celsius, making it one of the coldest regions on Earth. Here's something unexpected. Some Arctic fish have developed natural antifreeze in their blood to survive these frigid waters. Ancient people? In the Arctic, human remains have been found dating back over 4,000 years, making this one of the oldest inhabited regions on Earth. The Arctic even has resources waiting to be discovered. It's estimated to hold around 25% of the world's undiscovered oil and gas reserves. And did you know? Arctic plankton can survive frozen for months, showing the resilience of life even in harsh, icy conditions. The Inuit people have adapted to this extreme environment, living and thriving in the Arctic for thousands of years, a testament to human resilience. Reindeer eyes change color with the seasons, golden in summer and blue in winter, to help them see better in the harsh Arctic light and darkness. The Arctic is more than just ice. Vast peatlands here store massive amounts of carbon, making it an important player in the Earth's carbon cycles. The Arctic Ocean, despite being covered in ice, has some of the saltiest waters on Earth, an unexpected feature in such a frozen place. Ever think of ice in color? Arctic ice sometimes appears in shades of green, brown, or even red due to algae growth on its surface. The Arctic's ice caves, formed within glaciers, have intricate designs from constant melting and refreezing, nature's own frozen architecture. While the ocean here is salty, many Arctic species can produce their own light. This bioluminescence helps creatures navigate the deep, dark waters. The Arctic may seem remote, but it's crucial to global transportation. Ice roads formed on frozen lakes and rivers are essential for delivering supplies to remote communities. Finally, Arctic sea ice isn't just one type. It has both multi-year ice that lasts for years and thinner, seasonal ice that forms and melts each year. From ancient human settlements to resilient plankton, and from towering icebergs to glowing fish, the Arctic is full of surprises. This icy world, both harsh and beautiful, holds secrets that continue to inspire wonder and curiosity in us all. Subscribe for more. Head out on your next adventure. The journey never ends.